My CPAP machine is collecting dust in my closet. So frustrating. And I'm getting no relief. Help! If that's you, I can help. I am Jeff Copeland, and I've been working with people for over 20 years, helping them get a quiet night's sleep. If you want to actually use and get relief from your CPAP machine, comment help, and I'll connect you to resources that include testimonials, free video resources, and online coaching to get answers. And don't forget to hit the follow button to see more posts.